Yes, troops, what is happening? I have a missed call from the lettings agent after I revised my offer. So let's see what they're saying. Hey, how's it going? I had a missed call from you earlier.
Oh yes, it was just to say, at the moment the offer is too low, unfortunately, and she is hoping to sell to a first-time buyer.
No, I appreciate that then. I mean, our offer will still stand. You never know what could happen down the line, so just give me a call if anything changes. Boom, look at that. Offer accepted. Offer rejected. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Wanting to sell to a first-time buyer. I'm hearing that quite common lately. A lot of sellers now want to sell to investors because they keep pulling out or whatever. They keep causing problems. So let's just put the noise cancelling back on. But today the National Grid are doing their thing at the three-phase connection. I am going to be going down. Furniture is going to be installed tomorrow. I've got a new deal presented to me. So now I'm going to find a client for it, find an investor for it. It's a co-sourcing one. This is why co-sourcing is good, because although I'm looking for deals, put offers accept myself, I have more deals presented to me, leveraging other people's time and expertise. So do that, collaborate, don't compete. I always say that. Right, I'm going to put together a deal pack, make sure the numbers are correct, and then that's that. We'll see what happens. Currently on an interview, we're outsourcing a few things. Few admin tasks, getting rid of the sludge so we can work on the business and not in the business. Let's go. All right, we are now in the car and we're shooting off. Shooting off to Barbados. So we had the interviews. We had an interview for a few VAs, simply because a lot of what we do is just pure admin, like logging all the client information, logging all the property information, pipeline organization, fucking following up emails, like scheduling things, like, submitting offers, all of these things, right? It's a lot of admin and very low ROI tasks. Now, I think about what is good about doing them to start off with is, like, when you hire someone, you can then teach them how to do it and how not to do it. If anything breaks, you can fix it, right? So that's the positive of doing it yourself to start off with. But the con is a lot of your time is taken up with it, so you have the capacity of how much work you can do. So the most amount of work or deals that I could have on board at the moment was about 4, like in refurb, and Michael could only have about 2 in conveyancing. He handles the conveyancing side of things for the deal packaging business. Now, we can't have that. We can't have that bottleneck. We want to fix that bottleneck. So we're hiring someone that has a lot of experience in the conveyancing side of things, and being able to liaise with the lenders, the architects, the estate agents, the brokers, like all these things. We still do the complex work. We still instruct them to do and say what we want them to say. But a lot of what we do is just following up, filling out application forms and stuff, just sludge, pure fucking sludge. So we're hiring someone to take that off. Great, next step up, it's good. It means that we can focus on higher ROI tasks and get more business. Fucking hell. That lorry just cut across the whole fucking lane. Ongoing problem, if you're a long-time viewer of this channel. So we're down to Barbados. We're going to find out how things have gone. I'm going to meet the guys from National Grid, see how the three-phase connection's getting on. That car did move. The car moved. Happy days, isn't it? Don't know whose car it was, don't know why the fuck it was parked there, but it's gone. Happy days, all good. Even though there was no parking signs everywhere, it's gone. We were able to commence works. I don't know what would have happened if we didn't get that. Right, let's reconvene. Hopefully down at the project. I know sometimes the builder doesn't want fucking lorry, thank you very much. I know sometimes the builder doesn't want me to record because the lads are on site, but we'll see. We'll see what's going on. We'll figure something out. I have been here for about 4 hours, going over this one problem. I was with the builder for about an hour and a half, and then the interior designer for the rest, going over everything, and I want to share it with you because you're about to fucking learn something. All right, let's do this. I really hope you keep track of this, trips, but trust me, it's a good one. So see here, you've got the ensuite, plant room, fridge, freezer, washing machine, and that is the old plans, okay? Now, I'm going to take you around so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, but throughout builds, shit changes, all right? So learn something. This ensuite is now going to go over here. Why? Because This is concrete here, and this wall is a single skim wall. This wall, the neighbor's wall, single skim, meaning there's just one brick. So we couldn't put the steel on it. We had to build it up so we could then put the steel on it. So now, but that takes up a lot of space there, meaning that we can't put wardrobe in. We have to move this over here and then free up the space there, but it's going to be for a wardrobe. So the wardrobe's going there. The plant room has to come out. Okay, the plant room has to come out because this, even in here, like it goes in further because the neighbor built the wall, so we couldn't do it to the boundary line, okay? So we had to move it in, do it in, and it's less than 14 square meters. But because we're moving the plant room, freeing up all that space there, we're creating more space, a little bit more space there. That is now going to be over 14 square meters and still going to be a studio. Down here, we had the 3-phase connection installed here. We're going to put a tank here for the heating system, and we're going to put the boiler here, okay? And the secondary tank is going under the stairs. So that means we don't need that plant room anymore, and it's all going there. Let me just show you. I really hope this helps. When you have a single skim wall, you can't put steels in it. This is a structurally fucked building. I'm not going to lie to you. It's been a nightmare, but we've come up with a lot of solutions to a lot of problems. We had to build that up and put the steel on top of it. That is now compromised floor space of this studio. So this ensuite has to go up against that. It's going to press right up against that. And then we're going to have a wardrobe here. And as you can see, the 3-phase is here. This is the kitchen communal. It goes around there. See the sink there? That's the pipes for it. And wash machine, dryer, and fridge freezer. And here to here, this is where the tank is going to go. It's going to be 2 meters high, a big juicy tank, and the boiler is going to go there. Oh my god. And under the stairs, the fucking secondary tank. I don't know why I'm laughing. Like, I don't know how this could possibly interest you, but see, when you solve a huge problem, I just have to tell someone, like, this, it's been huge all day, and I hope it helps you. If it's single skim wall, it could cause a lot of problems. There'd be so many structural problems. Let me get some good lighting on me. Listen up, listen up. When you are a deal packager, when you're an investor, you have to be on site a lot more than you think. Because shit like that comes up. Like, me and the builder came up with a solution, right? But then it's like, but does the interior designer see the vision? So then the interior designer had to come out same day and figure it out with us. Like, oh, can the wardrobe go here? Can it be here? Does it work for the flow of the room? Does the functionality of the room work? Like, it's all for the games like us coming up with a solution, but then it's got to work for the tenant in the best way possible for the interior designer. And then the client's got to like it, you know? So I've submitted it all to the client. I hope he does like it. It's been an ongoing problem, but it's a big solution. That's been a problem going on for like weeks, and finally fucking solved it. What a day, what a day. Now, I had plans to do, I've been in here for a wee while now. I had plans to view properties, call agents, and do big stuff. But I think the satisfaction of solving that problem for our client was that was probably the biggest achievement I've had in a while. Just feels so good. That's the best part about this. Our client is literally chilling out, doing his own thing. And we're on the ground doing this, you know, making sure everything fits, making sure everything's in order. And like, that extends to you. If you know someone, like, and you want them to have a portfolio built for them, or you, then comment below. Fill out the form below. Give me a shout, man. Give me a shout, because I do all of this shit. What do you want to be? Do you want to be me in the trenches, like going through all the shit? Or do you want to be the client on the beach chilling out? You know what I mean? Like, it's up to you. This has been my office just now, and look at this. Let's see what's going on out here, eh? All of that's been taken away. This is the steel that's been causing a lot of work. Anyway, I am excited for tomorrow. It's official site day today. Tomorrow, I just had a call with a client. I could fucking see his smile through the phone. He was laughing. He was buzzing. It's been a brutal project, this one. It's been a stressful one. I feel for him. I feel for all of us. It's been tough. However, we got there in the end. We got there in the end. I am fucking buzzing for us, and that makes the job. Oh, look at this. New windows. I'm doing my site visit early this week, so it's nice to see them in. I'm going to end it there. I hope my problem solves one for you. You know I love you guys. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.